First we do this multiplication, 1 over 4 times 4. We can easily cancel this 4 and this 4. So here we have just 1. And 4 divided by 1 gives us 4. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the rule of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this division, 4 divided by 1 over 4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write to keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And again here we have times 4. No, 4 times 4 is just 16. And the 16 times 4 gives us 64. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 64.